Crypto bridge project Nomad, the latest to suffer a crypto exploitation with hackers and attackers, draining nearly $200 million. For more on this and the crimes in the crypto space, we've got Yahoo Finance's David Hollerith. David, what do we know about this so far?
Yeah, Brad. So last night, as you pointed out, nearly 200 million was drained from this crypto bridge project. Now, the chaotic event appears to have been the result of a recent upgrade the protocol made, which sort of led a flaw in the software that was easier to exploit. That's based on a security researcher. Now, a spokesperson from Nomad says that they have notified law enforcement and retained help from blockchain analytics firms that might help them retrace the funds and hopefully recover them. Just background on the crypto bridge projects in general, they're used to allowing users to move crypto assets from one blockchain to another. This is incredibly pivotal if the crypto ecosystem is to sort of be inter blockchain operable. Now, this latest exploit sets the amount of money stolen from crypto bridges so far this year above $1 billion. And the total funds in crypto related exploits to somewhere between 1.9 to over $2 billion, depending on how you count crypto hacks. Now, notably, the two largest crypto bridge hacks that happened this year, they're two of the largest crypto hacks in general in its short history, were the Ronin network and then also the wormhole. And between those two situations, we saw almost $1 billion of funds stolen. But notably, both projects, backers of both projects, I should say, have come out after the investigation or further along in a postmortem and said they will reimburse customers or any investors who've lost funds. We don't know whether or not Nomad will be able to do that, but that's sort of the next thing to look, is whether or not customers, investors, users in general will be made whole.
And David, you're tracking another crypto crime.
I am, yeah.
And the SEC is looking into something, right?
Right, yeah. So yesterday, the SEC has put in charges against 11 individuals who have been a part of a fraud. So obviously that's different from hacks in that it's very clear what's happened and they have been charged. Now, what's interesting to point out about this is Vitalik Buterin, the creator of the Ethereum network, actually came out yesterday as pointing out that he had sort of been aware of this and they had reached out to him for support. And it kind of brings in some interesting details about the nature of fraud in the crypto sector right now. Now, the problem, I think, in deciphering for investors whether or not fraud is something that's easy to spot becomes more difficult in the crypto sector, because a lot of these projects, almost all of them, are new. And so the returns that can be made, the actual innovation at work, is still being tested. So Buterin came out sort of as just underlying that leaders in the sector, CEOs, business owners, need to be more active in communicating when they spot fraud.
Okay. Well, there is a ton to continue to keep an eye on, especially with regard to some of the sums and totals that we're seeing within the crypto fraud and the hacking kind of sums that have come forward to this point in time. David Hollerith helping us break this down this morning. David, appreciate the time.